Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung POWERbot R7065. This is a Wi-Fi enabled smart robot vacuum that comes with a pretty hefty price tag, but some pretty hefty promises as well. Now I've also reviewed the Shark Ion Robot 750, which comes in at about $380, as well as the Hoover Rogue 970 robot vacuum, which runs you about $500 when it's not on sale. Now this Samsung POWERbot R7065 will run you $600, so it's premium price-wise, and we'll see if it can live up to the billing. For the Shark Ion robot and the Hoover Rogue 970, at the end of this video you can check out videos I've done with reviews on those. So let's get to the unboxing of the POWERbot R7065. As you can see here, it's got Samsung Connect and it works with Amazon Alexa. It has an app that you can download from the App Store or from Google Play. It says that it's 40 times more powerful suction. That means 40 times more powerful than their last version of this robot. It's got sort of squared off front ends so that it can get into corners nicely. It says that it'll get corners and right up along walls. It also will do a complete map of your house so that it can work efficiently. So I got some pretty cool bubble wrap in this box that's sort of rigid with flex points at the corners. And then there's a little pocket in it. Pretty cool. I've never seen bubble wrap quite like that. So we got a couple of AAA batteries. We've got a strip that will tell it to stay away. This is what you lay down and it will avoid that area. A big old power cord. This part will go into the dock, and then the plug goes in here and then into the wall. Not only will this work through Alexa or through Samsung Connect, it will also work through your app on your smartphone or through this remote control. So on the remote control, you got the home button, the power button, 3 different speeds of cleaning or power modes. This is the quiet mode, this is like the crazy aggressive mode, and this is in between. Play, pause, and you've got the spot treatment, repeat, sound, I'm not sure what sound does, clock, schedule, remote. So basically everything that you can do from the app, you can also use, I guess if you don't have a smartphone. I doubt that anyone that's going to pay $600 for a robot vacuum is not going to have a smartphone, but you never know, maybe your phone dies or something on you. So you've got this as a backup. Then we've got the user manual, pretty thick. Comes in a couple of different languages. And underneath here is the dock, decent sized dock. So this will just sit up against your wall. Most of them at least want you to have, maybe 3 or 4 feet of space at least in front of it so that the robot vacuum can maneuver around and dock itself easily. The plug will go right in here, right in the back. And it's got this, I guess a wire spool back behind here to kind of shorten your power cord if you can. So here's the last thing in the box. I'll get this plastic wrap off later. But here's the dustbin. It sits in top. You just press it down and it's good to go. It's pretty shiny here. I'm guessing this is where the display stuff will show up. Got your home button, play, pause, and the mapping. I'm guessing this is for mapping. Alright, so it's shaped kind of like a toilet seat. Here's the bottom. These wheels go up and down. We've got the brush in the front. And I don't see any spinners. Usually I see spinners that come out to get the stuff on the sides, but we'll see how that goes. So I'll figure out how to set this all up, and I'll let you know how it works. Okay, so here you can see the problem with the tiny little input hole to the dustbin. If you got pets or any kind of debris on your carpet, this tiny little input hole tends to get clogged up. As you can see here that it's just kind of hanging out. And then inside the dustbin, you've got this circular area right here. It spins around in there once it comes in, and it's supposed to exit out the side and go into the larger part of the dustbin over here. But you can see that most of it, the pet hair, most of it just stays in this circular area, and it just clogs it up. So most of the dustbin then remains empty, and it's not utilized. Another odd feature about this is the filter. Most filters have an accordion shape to catch all the debris. This is foam, but it's lumpy. And I'm not sure what the purpose is for that. I don't know if it's supposed to do a better job or some sort of new technology. But for me, it just makes it harder to clean because you've got these little divots. It's just harder. The lint seems to cling to this foam, and it's harder to get out. Here you can better see, I've taken this out of the case, you can better see how the dirt gets trapped in there. If I pull some of this hair out. It doesn't function in the best way to allow you to capture as much as you should. Once this gets clogged up, it pretty much stops picking anything else up, and the rest of the runtime it's just running around your house doing nothing. Here you can see inside there's the hole. So this is again the underside of the robot vacuum, and as you can see it relies solely on this one spinning brush and the pure suction power to get everything up and out of your carpet. Other robot vacuums that I've tested have had spinning brushes on each side, which help to pick up anything on the outsides and scoop it, sort of push it towards the rollers to get vacuumed up. Right here you can see there's about almost an inch of space where it's just pure suctions trying to get any debris into here. There's nothing to actually physically sweep it into there. And same thing on the front, you've got probably half an inch of space where there's just only suction, which I don't think is the best design. And it's shown up in the results, in the cleaning results as well. Another problem with relying on pure suction power is noise. This is a very loud robot vacuum. It's equivalent to an upright vacuum that you would push yourself. Only this is supposed to run in the background while you're doing other things, and you don't want it to be this noisy. I don't anyway. Compared to two other robot vacuums that I've tested, this is by far the loudest. Even when it's on its quietest setting, because it has 3 loudness levels or 3 suction levels, even the quietest level is still really loud. So that's something to keep in mind. Even though the Samsung POWERbot R7065 robot vacuum has some pretty cool features like whole house mapping and being able to be operated via Amazon Alexa, I can't recommend this product because of its price, loudness, and lack of cleaning ability. There are better options out there. Check out my other videos to see a couple of other robot vacuums that I've tested and see which one I like better than this one. Please help me out by liking this video and hitting that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.